Suppose we're given the following equation and we need to graph it. Here we're dealing with a quadratic function. Recall that general equation of quadratic function is following. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. In our case we have a which is equal to 3, b equals -2 and c equals 1. A is greater than 0 and this means that our parabola opens upwards, therefore our vertex is a point of minimum. C is the y-intercept of our parabola. Let's mark it on our graph. Here it is at the point 0, 1. Now we need to find the vertex of our parabola. To do this, let's find the x-coordinate of the vertex. The formula looks like this. x0 equals -b over 2a. In our case, this is -2 over 2 times 3, which gives us 1/3. To find the y-coordinate of the vertex, we need to insert x0 into our equation. So we obtain y0, which is equal to 3 times 1/9 minus 2 times 1/3 plus 1, and this is equal to 2/3. So our vertex is at the point 1/3, 2/3. Let's also mark it on our graph. It is right here. Now we need to find the x-intercepts of our equation. To do this, we need to solve the following equation. Y equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0 for x. To solve this, we need to find the discriminant of the equation. The formula for it is following. D equals b squared minus 4ac. In our case, this is 4 minus 4 times 3 times 1 and gives us -8. Our discriminant is less than 0 and this means that this equation has no real roots. Therefore, there are no x-intercepts. We could avoid this calculation by noticing facts that our vertex is above the x-axis and coefficient a is greater than 0, so vertex is a point of minimum. Therefore, the whole parabola is above the x-axis. Now we need to find a few more points to properly build our parabola. For example, let's calculate y of 1 and of -1. Y of 1 equals 3 times 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 1 and equals 2. And y of -1 equals 3 times -1 squared minus 2 times -1 plus 1 and equals 6. So we obtained 2 more points. Let's mark them on our graph. One is over here at the point 1, 2. And the other is up here at the point -1, 6. Now we have enough information to graph our function. Let's connect all the points. And let's sign the graph. Y equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. So here is the graph of the given function.